Good evening. Tonight's video, 100% impromptu. One of my subscribers, Root276, says he tries to cook everything he can in an air fryer. I'm like, well, damn, I never thought of that. So tonight's video is stuffed portabella mushrooms in the Emeril air fryer. Unlike my previous videos where I cheers you in the end with an icy cold gin and tonic, I've cheersed you in the beginning with about 3 or 4 of these prior to this video. So hey, cheers. So we're going to make stuffed mushrooms in the Emeril air fryer. This is a derivative of a recipe from the Real Women of Pennsylvania. Ooh, they added Italian dressing seasoning packet to the cheese mixture. Ooh, now, so this is a derivative, how I like it, and it's really tasty. So we've got portabella mushrooms. Now you take the portabella mushroom and you bust the stem out of it. So I got the stem out of these two, I still got to clean these two up. We are going to stuff these portabella mushroom caps with this cheese mixture. There's an 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 cup of shredded Parmesan. This is 1 stick of melted butter and 1 cup panko breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs have soaked up all the butter, and that's going to make these turn out nice and brown. We're going to fill the mushrooms with the cheese mixture, coat it with the breadcrumbs, bake it in the Emeril air fryer. I've spooned the cheese mixture into each mushroom cap. Now it's time to add the breadcrumbs. We've got the mushroom caps with the cheese stuffing, the butter-soaked breadcrumb topping. We're on the bake shelf, 350. I set it for 1 hour so nothing interrupts our cook. I'm gonna preheat. Emeril air fryer preheated to 350. We got our mushrooms going in. Regular oven is 30 minutes. I've set for 15. We'll keep an eye on them. We're at the halfway mark, 7 minutes to go. We're gonna rotate this shelf. Ooh, those are looking pretty good. These look better than they do in the oven.
Check the shrooms. Check the shrooms.
Oh crap, we gotta check the shrooms. All right, so this is 15 minutes in the Emeril air fryer. Boy, these look better than they ever did in the oven. Oh, these are done. Okay. You know, I normally cook these in the regular oven. The mushrooms just kind of like crack and fall apart. These did not do that. So the Emeril air fryer cooked these nicely, and they put a good crunch on the top before the mushroom got destroyed. Wow, I'm impressed. Oh man, that is so good. It's very crunchy, and that's what makes this really good. Is the crunchy breadcrumbs on top. I think the key to the topping is the panko breadcrumbs soaked in melted butter until they absorb all the butter they can. If you make the 1 stick of butter and the 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs and you notice you have a lot of liquid butter left in the bottom of the bowl, throw some more breadcrumbs in there and soak it all up, because boy, those things come out good. This is my first attempt with these stuffed mushrooms in the Emeril air fryer. And I do have to say that they came out better than all the ones I have cooked in the conventional oven. I think that convection fan and that Emeril air fryer on the bake, oh, crisp that topping up, super delicious. Make yourself some stuffed mushrooms in your air fryer. I don't think you will be disappointed because, oh, these are super delicious. Ooh, look how brown and crunchy that topping is. Well, hey, cheers with gin and tonic. Ooh, either number 5 or number 6. Regardless of which one you're on, they are all tasty. Well, hey, have a good weekend. Happy stuffed mushrooming. Thanks, Rue, for the suggestion of trying everything in the air fryer that worked out. Cheers, take care, see ya.